Welcome guys, it's another video. I'm here on my Future Ad Pro account, but today we're going to talk about something very interesting. But it's a Thursday, and on Thursdays I talk about basically traffic. Okay, now what is traffic? I'm going to show you about the life and the blood of your traffic. Now what does that mean? It means it has to keep flowing. If it's not flowing, there's not going to be any use of it, right? So we're going to talk about a lot of things today in this video, and if you do like it, hit the subscribe button down below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on my email list, then there's a button below which you can click and actually see the traffic sources that I have, and I give an overview and explanation of each one in order for you to understand. So this is more of an overview. I'm not going to make it a long video, but it's definitely an overview of how you can develop yourself and actually use the traffic sources that we have. Now, Future Ad Pro is one of my favorite traffic sources. Okay, it is the traffic source that I use the most in order for me to fund my business. And you need advertising, whether in your Facebook, whether you're Google, whether you're YouTube, whether you're any kind of website, this has to work in this manner. Okay, advertising has been there and traffic generation has been there since the beginning of time when anybody started to sell their offer, whether it was word of mouth of advertising or whether it was in stone or whether it was in paper, and now it is digital. Okay, so this is something that I am very much telling you, that you can have different kinds of advertising that you have. So the two kinds of advertising that you can have, or two kinds of method that you can have in your business, is free generation and paid generation, right? Paid advertising or paid traffic generation is where I am going to be talking about today. Now you can have your Facebook as a free source of traffic. Also, you can have YouTube as a free traffic source, which also I use. And in fact, when you check out the link in the description below, what you will find is a summary or the way I build my business at the same time. Okay, I don't need to get people personally in my business because of the way I'm generating traffic on a day-to-day basis. So this is more of sharing my journey. I don't need to talk to people. I want to get more free content. I want to give you guys more tips and value, but at the same time, I don't have to. Okay. I know people who have built their business solely on generating traffic on a day-to-day basis without really posting a video on YouTube or anything. But I like to do it because I want to share my journey and document it as I go along. So this works, and I'm going to show you one of the traffic sources, which is Future Ad Pro, that has generated me over $10,102 US. Okay, it is a traffic source that definitely works for me and allows me to fund my business. So what do I do? Firstly, before I go ahead, I want to say these results are not typical. I have taken the time and effort to build this business, which is why I have the results that you can see on the screen right now. But you may ask, David, where do I go? How do I do it? I teach you that if you go and check out the process in which I have in place. Okay, it's something that I want to give you guys for free also, and you can take advantage and actually leverage the strategies that you see here. So now I use Future Ad Pro firstly to generate more traffic from my business. And yesterday, if you watched the video on my channel, you will see yesterday or today that I posted it, I'm not sure, but you will definitely see me purchasing advertising, actually selling or getting more views to my business and everything else. But today I'm going to talk about the strategy and actually tell you how it is that I use it with the traffic sources. Then if you want to get the overview, like I said, click the button below and you'll be able to go ahead and check that out. So I wait till basically Future Ad Pro, I get at least per week $60 US. That's the minimum I wait for. Okay, $60 US a week. Get a budget in place for yourself, and this is what I do. And every single week we need to send at minimum that amount of traffic. Okay, so where do you find that traffic? In this video, you're going to see 3 traffic sources that I have, and you can click the button below and you come to this page. Okay, when you come to this page, you're going to have 3 traffic sources. One is a solo ad traffic source, where I teach you how to find vendors, how to talk to them, how to make sure that you have the right people who you can use in order for you to get high quality clicks. Okay, and how do you get people basically to your email list and build your business? You have to take this seriously, guys. If you don't, it's not going to work. Okay, it's not going to work. I'm telling you now, if you're not ready to take this seriously and do it for the long term, it's not going to work. Just like you learn a guitar, how to play a guitar, just like you learn anything in your life, you need the skill sets for you to actually see results in the skill sets, you need to implement them. Okay, so Udemy is the first one. Then I have MLM leads, which is basically a media traffic source that I use, which trickles in leads as I go. So if I purchase, for example, in a week, 50 clicks or 40 clicks or whatever it is, it trickles in throughout the week or throughout the month, basically. Okay, so you can build on that, because that means there's a continuous new generation of traffic where people are looking for a certain thing and they click on it and they go to your website. So that's what MLM leads does for you. Okay, and then you have traffic from me, which is also a brilliant high quality traffic source that I use personally. Okay, what I want to say very clearly is that any one of these traffic sources, guys, think about what you want, right? If you have a small budget, start off with a small budget, but do it week in and week out. Okay, if you're just getting started and you have a small budget, I would say use Udemy, because that is a good traffic source to look at, and you'll find different methods, different people who you can actually work with and see who's delivering traffic for you. In fact, I have a couple of vendors that I really like, and I use them day in and day out. I talk to them frequently and make sure that I'm getting what I need from them. Okay, why am I saying start off slow? Okay, start off consistently, whatever it is. Choose one of these traffic sources, if not all three. Okay, because sometimes it doesn't make sense to do it all three. If you have enough of a budget, then you can start with Udemy, use MLM leads, and use traffic from me, and then test it out. Okay, and which one you like the best, use that. But you can alternate as well. What I would suggest is pick one, go with it, use it, and then once you're comfortable with it, go to the next. So this is the overview of the traffic. Like I said, everything, the tip that I want to give you in this video is have a traffic budget. No matter what, have a traffic budget. Whether it's here, these are the 3 traffic sources that I'm giving you because I find it the best strategy in my business, and I don't need to talk to anybody. I can just send traffic every single week, get new people to see my offers, buy my products and everything. And my email list is my business. I treat it as the most precious thing that I have. Okay, the most precious thing that I have. Now, if I sell them tools, I basically own that email business, and I talk to them on a day-to-day basis. So this is one of the strategies that I would suggest to start to grow your email business, because if you don't, and you say, how do I get started? What do I do? Where do I get started with? I would say build an audience. Okay, and this strategy that I'm showing you allows you to build an audience. It allows you to grow momentum. Okay, don't just go and sell products and services if you don't have an audience. Start to build an audience. I love giving you guys tips on marketing. If you know anybody who wants to actually tell me a little bit more of what they're doing so I can help them out, comment below if you're watching this on YouTube. But if you're watching this on an email list, trust me, there is no better way to get started without a consistent traffic budget and traffic plan. Now, you can use these traffic sources, which is my recommendation to you, but you can also go in and learn, master Facebook ads, master YouTube apps. Pick one traffic source, guys. Over the years, whether it's offline or online, there are so many ways to generate leads. There are so many ways to generate traffic, which is why I like to specify and say, every Thursday, guys, this is what I'm doing. This is how it's getting me the results that I have. Okay, I cannot stress that enough. So if you click on the button below, you'll be taken to the traffic sources. Or if you're watching this on YouTube and you check the link out in the description, basically you will see the exact system that I have. Don't want to reveal everything in this video. I'm being very honest with you. I don't want to reveal everything here because I want you to go through the information that you see in the link below, because it's going to teach you, it's going to train you, and it's going to allow you to develop from there. Use the strategy. Okay, I'm very, very open in terms of giving you guys the strategy that I'm using on a weekly, daily, and monthly basis. Okay, do it consistently, be committed to yourself, and be committed to your business. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And if you like the content that you get on this channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're watching me for the first time, comment below and let me know for sure that you're watching a video on my channel. So I would love to get in touch with you. Okay, I reply to each and every comment that's there because I love the engagement that I get. Okay, have a great day, and honestly, questions, answers, feel free, if you're watching this in an email, to email me back. If you're watching this on YouTube, comment below. Okay, have a great day, keep consistent, keep focused. You can do this.